Hi everyone and welcome for this new video. It's an unboxing. Yes guys, I'm going to reveal you my birthday gift. So let's go. Just before, let me introduce myself for those who just jump into this video. Hi guys, I'm bags passionate, French bag collector, fashion lover and above all Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, my mother language. So if you love bags, you love bag discussion, you are at the right place. So please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, subby, thanks a lot for your support. Love you guys. Without further ado, because I know you love that, I'm going to unbox my birthday gift. But first I'm going to make the light a little bit better if possible. So, okay, let's do it like that. It's, as you can read, it's a Longchamp bag, and just a tiny words before I just unbox right after. It's a bag which was not on my wish list. I saw it on the internet website and I find it cute, but I got overplanned in my mind. But when I went to the boutique, everything changed, and I have to say it was love at the first sight. So yes, I'm going to reveal you which bag stole my heart, and I am quite happy because when I'm thinking about this bag, I got I have nothing in this design. So yes, I picked the Longchamp Roseau Hobo bag S in the color paper. Look at this piece. I know it's nothing crazy, let's be honest. It's an hobo bag, shoulder bag. I will write you the dimension, but I don't know, I find it so chic, so elegant, but not too much, you know, something that you will say, oh, I'm just going to wear it for some events. No, this one, I know I will use it every day, on an everyday basis, and even maybe for some event. But yes, I can use it on a regular basis. The hardware is silver, and you know it's really something I prefer. I got gold hardware on some of my bags, but I do have a preference for silver. And this one, as you can see, is in cowhide grained leather, because if you have seen my previous video concerning the new fall winter collection, Longchamp launched this bag with a smooth leather version. I saw them, but to be honest, and for those who follow my channel, I also prefer grained leather. But the smooth leather ones are really cute, just to tell you everything. But I went crazy for this one, and I took the paper color because I got some white bags in my collection, but not a lot. And there was also caramel, the brown one, which is really cute, but I have too many brown color bags. And I don't know, I love this shade. It's not super white like my Fulone one, but it's a nice white shade. Look at my t-shirt, you see, it's a little bit more grayish. But of course, it's an hobo bag. You have one top handles to carry it on your shoulder. You see, it's super comfy because it's not too big, but not too small, so super nice. Easy, you can, even if you are wearing a jacket, it's okay, you have space. And it's Roseau, so you have the classical bamboo clasp. And to open it, it's really easy, just unlock it and you open it. And this is what I like in this design in particular, because this bag, it's not something really bright new by Longchamp, because they have already done in the past several versions of the hobo bag. And I never bought them because I don't feel comfortable with them, even if some of them were zipped, but some of them you also have like this, and it was unopened, so I never fell in love. But this time with this flap, you can see it's like a flap, and you have this extra part, you know, I like it. Seriously, I like it. So you open it, like a lot of Roseau, you have raw leather. Let me put it away. Oh, there's a bunch. And inside you have one main compartment. You have an flap pocket, you know, like this. It's also grain leather. You have this lovely in metal logo, Longchamp logo. And that's all. Of course, you have no keychain in this bag, but for once it's okay. It's a small bag, so you don't have a lot of space to look at your keys. You will find them easily. And yes, I fell in love. I fell in love because the color, I really like it. I think it's a nice white shade. The shape is really cool. I think maybe I can find a tiny place, you know, to add a little back charm if I want to make it a little bit more wild. But seriously, it's gorgeous. I am really in love with the leather, the grain leather of the Roseau line. It's something I like to touch. It's very durable. It lasts in time. And of course, at the very first use, it is a bit rigid, but the more you use it, the more it softens and it's really cute. By the end, I can tell I got my Roseau in the blue thistle color, and now it's a gem because the leather works, and so really I like it. We are going to see what can fit inside. Oh, my bag of the day is once again this one, because I got a skirt, you can't see, and it's matching very well. So inside, of course, you can fit a wallet, you see, like this. I don't think a real Continental can fit. I'm talking about the Longchamp Continental. Maybe other Continental from other brand can fit, but here it's my compact one. I've got card holder and document for my car. And you see, you have a lot of space. I have my tiny can purse. I've got tissue. And that's all. I don't carry that much, but you can see, if I want, I can fit a tiny pair of sunnies and a lipstick and so on. You can fit a bunch of things, and you close and you see, I can push it because you have space, and that's all. I like it. I seriously like it. I repeat, it's not crazy. The design is not crazy, but the bamboo clasp, and yes, I'm crazy about the flap. Let's call it the flap. It's just cute, and I think it will be a nice bag for every day during spring, summer, because I'm wearing most of my white bags in this period, and this one is my birthday, so thank you. Thanks to my family. I'm happy because I got no bag of this type in my collection, so it's a nice addition. Yes, the price, I completely forgot the price because it's a birthday gift, but for those who want to buy this bag, listen carefully. When I bought it for my birthday in euro, it retails for 290 euro, and in American dollar it was 345. And guys, some days after, I went on the Longchamp website, and this bag got its new price because now Longchamp increased its price before the sales. So we have a 2 price increase during the year. This is really sad. And now this bag retail in euro for 320, and in American dollar, I will write if I make a mistake, it's $385. So it's crazy. I'm happy because I got it before the price increase. It's crazy. It is available in several colors, and at the moment the color orange and bilberry, which is a great violet shade, are on sale. But the other color, paper, brown, you've got black, and which other color, if I am losing one, I don't know, but the new color got the new price. Guys, what do you think about this bag? Seriously, it's a big surprise because I saw it, I found it was cute, it was a nice idea. When I got my hands on in the boutique, yes, I fell in love. I can't describe, but it's a really cute little bag. And take care till the next video. Bye bye guys, love you.